Alrighty then. I really should air the tires down. Man, this is like ice. Grease, grease, grease. Ah! Okay, well, I think as you can see in here, it's just pouring the rain. And so that kind of modifies my plans for the day. We are here at the Dunaway Memorial Motocross Park in Harrison, Ohio. And it's a public park. It's a very cool setup. It's set up in memorial to a young racer that passed away, Doug Dunaway. And the city of Harrison maintains the park and the track. And now the track is not, don't expect some national caliber manicured motocross track. It's a, you know, it's some field and some woods and some jumps, but it's a great place for people to be able to ride. And yes, it's open at the moment, but they typically shut it down in the mud. But hey, I'm here to test this Kenda tire. Okay, it's gonna be greasy. Okay, you're also gonna see me rolling jumps. At least until I figure out what the heck is going on. Woo! Alrighty then. One way, we'll go the one way. I really should air the tires down. They are at, man, this is like ice. Grease, grease, grease. The tires are at typical road pressure, not off-road pressure. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing. Hey, that's fine though. Whoa, wrong shift. And the poor bell helmet is all fogged up. Oh, I hope this is making for good video. Woo! Oh, the hard bottom. But the forks did better than before the mods I did to them, which is a good thing. That's something I want to check out. I want to check out the gearing, which is awesome. I am in love with the gearing. I want to check out the Kenda K270 rear tire. And I also want to check out, what's the third thing? Okay. Boy, I apologize to anybody that knows this track if I'm going the wrong way. Boy, the bike is hopping and spinning a lot. Yeah, forks are much better. Yeah. Oh, I feel like I'm going the wrong way.
Okay, well, that didn't end quite the way I wanted it to. I'd had such a great day of riding. I was heading back to pick up the camera and make my way home, and then I had this low-speed washout, managed to hit my shoulder pretty darn hard, and then the bike was laying on top of me in an awkward way, trying to pick it up, and I strained the shoulder further. So I'm gonna have to take a little while to get the shoulder back in order. The good news is I was wearing all the protective gear from head to toe, boots, knee pads, shin pads, armor jacket, helmet, gloves, and that kept it from being any worse than it was. I guess if we're gonna ride dirt bikes in the dirt, we're occasionally gonna hit the dirt. So, you know, I usually end these videos saying, ride safe. Today I'm gonna say, ride safe, and if you do go down, make sure you're wearing the protective gear. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a like, and I hope you'll consider subscribing for future riding and wrenching videos.